Hi everyone, my name is Romil, and in today's video we have something really interesting for all those who are preparing for the NDA exam. As you already might be aware that the official notification for NDA 2 2021 came out on the 9th of June, and you can apply for this exam online by going onto the official website of UPSC, and the applications are open from 9th of June till 29th of June. So in today's video, one of our educators, Saurabh, will be showing to you and he will be explaining along the way how you can apply for the NDA 2 2021 exam. He will show you the entire process, so make sure that you watch the video till the very end. Our NDA 2 2021 course has recently started. You can download our app from Google Play Store and access the course directly from there. The course has got more than 250 hours of live classes, and you will also get a free SSB course.
Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to fill NDA 2 2021 form, because there were several requests from candidate side that they are facing some issues filling this form. Before I proceed ahead, I would like to make you aware of few things. First of all, the age eligibility to this exam. You must write down that you can only be eligible to this exam when your date of birth falls in between of 2nd Jan 2003 to 1st Jan 2003 to 1st Jan 2006. Both dates are included. सो अगर आपकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ इन दोनों डेट के बीच में पड़ती है तभी आप इस एग्जाम के लिए एलिजिबल हो सकते हैं. और अप्लाई करने के लिए यू विल हैव टू गो टू ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट दैट इज upsc.gov.in. बिफोर यू फिल द फॉर्म यू मस्ट इंश्योर दैट you have kept your signature and your photo scanned in JPG format, which should be in the size of between 20 KB to 300 KB. So here we will go. As I have told you, the official website is upsc.gov.in. So this will bring us to the this is the interface of official website. Here from we will click on apply online. After clicking on apply online, you will find there will be 3 links. So you will have to go to the second one, the center one, which is online application for various examination. So here you can see that NDA 2 form is available in 2 parts. It means there are 2 parts which you will have to complete. Here you can see once again the notice was released on 9th June and will end on 29th June. Before 6 p.m. you have to finish your form. So I will just do the first part now. See, I'll click on registration for first part. You will have to go through this important instruction before filling up the form, which already I have told you, and then click on yes. Here you will have to put your details. The first you will have to put your details, then payment, then photo and sign photo identity card upload. It means you can upload your Aadhaar card, PAN card, then center selection and form. The first part is done. Then comes marital status. Yes, obviously we need to be unmarried for applying this form. Community, any community you can select, and if whatever you are selecting apart from general, you will have to attach document for that. It means if you are selecting OBC, SC or ST, you will have to attach another document, extra document for that. Select your educational qualification. So all candidates can apply with or without maths, appearing and appeared, both appearing and passed, both type of candidates can apply. So I will select because I have passed 12 of 10+2 pattern school education or equivalent examination with physics, chemistry and maths. So with or without maths you can apply, appearing and passed both. Then you just continue. So here you will see the second option has arrived to select photo identity card. The photo identity card, you can select any. I will select Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is very common and I know most of you will select Aadhaar card only. And you will have to put your Aadhaar card number. Then you can here give preference, like if whatever preference you will give here, that SSB will come to you. That SSB call letters. It means if you put army, then army's call letter only will come after you clear written exam. If you put navy, then navy's call letter will come after you clear your exam. So be careful while putting this preference. So I will first put Air Force, second Army, third Navy, and fourth Naval Academy. Did you ever fail in CPSS, Computerized Pilot Selection System, PABT? That is Pilot Aptitude Battery Test Examination of Air Force? No. Would you like to be considered for Air Force GDO, Ground Duty Officer? Yes. With a student of सैनिक स्कूल, क्या आप सैनिक स्कूल मिलिट्री स्कूल के विद्यार्थी हैं? तो I will show you to put yes. Then whether son of JSU NCO, no. So here will be the preview of your form, what you have filled, and put CAPTCHA at last. If you want to change anything, you can update. Then click on I agree. Once you agree, no changes will be permissible in part 1 registration of your application. So that way you will get a registration number now. Yes, this is your registration number, you can see, and name and detail, you can match it. You can write down the registration number anywhere if you want. Here we will proceed to get registered for part 2. You will get option in the right side bottom. Click here for part 2 registration. Here you can see this. You will click here. Yes, so here we were here to make payment. I'll select this card, pay by card. Then we'll continue. Now you will receive a OTP and put that OTP. So I have received my OTP. I will put it. Yes, the transaction is successful. I'll click on continue ahead. Here you will see that interface is open to upload a scanned JPG or JPEG format of your photo, and then upload your JPEG or JPG format of your signature, and upload your PDF format of Aadhaar card. It means why Aadhaar card? Because that is the photo identity which you have written in the first registration form. All three should be well prepared. If not prepared, then from here you can resize your photo and signature. Now the picture and signature, and along with this photo identity card, that was Aadhaar card, was uploaded. Now let's see whether these are accepted or not. Yes, everything is accepted. So we will proceed ahead. Along with this Aadhaar card, PDF, everything, we can see that it is uploaded. Here it is saying that reload photo identity card document. If I would like to, then only, or else it is uploaded. Then continue. In the last step, you will have to select your center. Once again, you will have to put your Aadhaar card number. Then select exam center. So Patna is nearby. So I will select Patna. Accept this declaration. Your application form is done.
Are you preparing for defense written exams like NDA, CDS, AFCAT, or Sainik School entrance exam? Join our written exam preparation courses, practice mock tests, and get expert mentor support. Call us at 725 940 7111